Imagine that you're in Hawaii and your child is running around on the beach. Suddenly, you notice that they're running toward the ocean. A native Hawaiian shouts, "Stop," in Hawaiian, but would your child even know what it means? E komamai to 2-minute language lessons, the fun and easy way to teach your children or grandchildren common words and phrases in Spanish, French, German, and Hawaiian while they're young and language learning comes naturally to them. Today, we'll learn how to say stop in Hawaiian. There are multiple ways to say stop in Hawaiian. If your child is pestering his sibling, for example, you could say woki, which means stop that. However, today we'll use the command that your child would typically hear if they were approaching a dangerous situation, e ku. In this command, a is the imperative marker, indicating that the next word is something that you're telling someone to do. Ku means stop or stand. So to stop a child from running, you could say, "E ku." Today's assignment is to play a stop and go game with your child. Have them walk, crawl, hop, or dance until you say, "E ku." At that point, they should stop and freeze in place. They will find it a fun game, but it will actually teach them to associate the words "e ku" with stopping in place immediately. This will not only increase their vocabulary, but also their safety. If you like interacting with your child or grandchild in multiple languages by playing simple language games with them, please subscribe to my channel. By spending just 2 minutes each day learning one new word in one new language, you'll soon be speaking with your children in Spanish, French, German, and Hawaiian. You can start with any word you want, but since some lessons build on the previous ones, you may want to click here for the playlist Language Lessons with Lori and start at the beginning. Mahalo!